All right, we're at the Little Neck building in Virginia Beach, Virginia, and look what we got inside. We got you a treat that I don't get to see every day. It's a Westinghouse from 1968. '68 Westinghouse, and it's got a rubber band door operator, as the Wild Deeper calls it. Yep, I can clearly see the rubber band right there. So look at this. Look at that rubber band door operator. So look at that. All right, let's get a cab view of this beauty. This is a very 60s Westinghouse. These are your Westinghouse original AE fixtures from 1968. All right, let's take it up to 5, and here we go. This building is so worth coming in. Original Westinghouse from 1968. This thing deserves another ride. This thing's awesome. I love this beauty. Listen to that door operator. Watch this. If it'll close. It's got the metal bumper. It's on the one. So glad I stopped in this building. This is amazing. These are your Westinghouse original AE fixtures. Original Westinghouse nameplate right there. Your inspection certificate, and these travel. Can't really focus on it. Going up?
Yes.
You come in. What floor are you going, ma'am?
3. Oh.
I'm just appreciating the elevator. It's a vintage Westinghouse. I'm trying to see the certificate plate. I don't really see the speed permit. Take care. Have a good day. You're welcome. I love these fixtures. Yeah, sorry I couldn't find the speed, the speed travel on the certificate. I don't really see it. The phone is so high up. Wonder if I'm able to. Oh, it's locked. Down the one. Door closed and press the button. I love that. Let's stop on an intermediate floor. Let's stop at 2. This thing is a beauty. I love this elevator. We'll take this thing for one more ride in. We'll get off at 1 and leave. Look at this intermediate station. Nope. You're not shutting on me, Mr. Westy. Mr. Westinghouse? Who wants to shut on me? Anybody going down?
Yeah, I'm going down.
I got the elevator for you. It wants to shut on you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you taking a picture of how slow it is?
I'm just taking a picture of the elevator. It's an old vintage Westie from 1968.
Wow.
You see there's that Westinghouse logo right there?
Oh, okay.
All right, you take care. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, I'm gonna try to sample that bell chime, and then I'll take it for one more ride on this beauty. Let me go outside and ring the bell. It doesn't work. When the Westie wants to close, the Westie will close. All right, I'm gonna stop on an intermediate floor just so I can sample the chime. We'll take it for one more ride in. That'll be it. Again, I love these fixtures. Original Westinghouse from 1968. Original Westinghouse AE fixtures. All right, here goes the chime. This thing's a definite beauty. All right, we're gonna go back down to 1 to end the video there. I'm so glad I stopped in this building. Door closer, press the button. I love that. There goes the other elevator. That right there is your escape hatch right there. It's very nice original Westinghouse. I don't get to see those every day. This time watch the button go out. Button goes out. And here we are at 1. This elevator was so worth coming in. I mean, this building is so worth coming in, and these elevators are so worth filming. There they go. And with that being said, that will be it.